How to install Realtek Audio Driver for Windows 11. Method 1. Download from Realtek official website. Visit official Realtek PC Audio Driver download page. Select your operating system and download the executable file. Double-click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Method 2. Download from the PC manufacturer Swaybeat. Step 1. Search for your manufacturer name Audio Driver download in a web browser. Step 2. Go to your manufacturer's site and enter your PC model name. Step 3. Specify Windows 11 as your operating system and download the Realtek HD Audio Driver. Step 4. Install the driver package like any other software. Method 3. Using Windows updates. Step 1. Press Windows +I to open settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Step 3. If updates are available, they will be downloaded and applied automatically. Step 4. Restart your PC after the update.